everyone, it's Amy or LittleSurprisesYT, and it's been a while. I wanted to start this video by just kind of saying hello again, and I also wanted to share with you some Halloween pieces I made, which majority of them ended up becoming Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm most likely going to break this video into two videos, just so I can showcase some of these pieces without it running over like 20-30 minutes. For this video, I'm just going to show you an overview of most of the pieces I've made, starting with the bats. So here are some of the bats I've made. The first bat that I made was actually this kind of version right here. I made something very similar back in April. Here is a bat with a small moon and Jack and Sally. And here is one with a larger moon with Jack and Sally again. I like this one a lot because the background is opaque in comparison with this background, which is a little more transparent. That was also made into a magnet for a custom order on my Etsy shop. These were the polymer clay moons that I made to put into my resin pieces. Inside this Trinket box I made are a few more resin pieces, and I'm going to show you what they look like one by one. Here is a double-sided jack-o'-lantern with candy corn in the front and a Nightmare Before Christmas scene on the back. This one is one of the smallest Nightmare Before Christmas pieces I made, and I really like the size. It's a lot smaller than some of the other pieces I've made. I think it would look great as a ring or a necklace. And then over here is a little resin shaker that I made. This is the Trinket box, and I'm going to actually post a separate video showcasing more of the details of this box. In comparison with this double-sided resin jack-o'-lantern I made is this regular jack-o'-lantern with the face painted in, with the little candy corn on the corner. This is most likely going to be made into a magnet. Here are some Mike Wazowski and Sully pieces that I made that I think would look great as magnets. Next are some unfinished shakers. Here is Mimikyu and some Pokeball polymer clay canes that I made in different sizes. I plan to make this moon shaker into a Nightmare Before Christmas scene as well. Here are some of the small resin pieces that I've made in preparation. I also have some photos of a Mimikyu shaker that I made a few weeks ago that are already sold, so here are some photos. I hope you liked this video. Here are all of the pieces that I made and them glow in the dark. It was a little hard filming them glow in the dark, so I have a photo here for you guys. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I'm going to upload my Trinket box resin spotlight in the next few days. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And thanks again for watching.